वेल 2020 बहुत सारे कारणों के कारण हमें याद रहने वाला है, जिसमें से सबसे बड़ा कारण है कोरोना वायरस का आउटब्रेक। 4 महीने के लंबे लॉकडाउन के बाद फाइनली द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एंड द एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री ओपन एंड गॉट बैक ऑन इट्स फीट। लेकिन जैसे ही ये शुरू हुई वैसे ही धीरे धीरे करके हमें टेलीविजन सेलिब्रिटीज के कोविड-19 पॉजिटिव होने की खबरें आने लगी। Just a few days ago, Ishpa's actress Shenu Parekh broke the news that she is tested positive for novel coronavirus and was hospitalized soon after. शेनू ने अपने इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पे शेयर किया कि यही कारण था कि वो बहुत टाइम से सोशल मीडिया से गायब थी और उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि सारे फैंस और उनके फॉलोअर्स उनको अपनी दुआओं में याद रखें एंड बहुत जल्द बिल्कुल ठीक होकर वो वापस आएंगी। Well, the good news finally is कि finally हमारी इश्पास actress was discharged from the hospital after COVID-19 treatment and she posted a thanking note to the doctors and also mentioned practicing self-isolation at home. शेनू ने सारे फैंस और अपने वेल विशर्स को उनकी स्पीडी रिकवरी के लिए होप करते हुए और दुआएं मांगते हुए thank you किया। She also posted a picture of her waving as she was clicked exiting from the hospital itself. Her Instagram post read, "My dearest extended family, friends and my well-wishers. I just don't know how to thank all of you for showering so much love and blessings. By the grace of God and your prayers, I'm recovering very well and have been discharged from the hospital." Shenu was seen seated in a wheelchair wearing a navy blue pajama with a tiny white print all over it. She wore glasses and followed the safety measures by continuing to wear a mask covering her mouth and hand gloves too. उनके पोस्ट में she continued saying कि she will be in a complete self-isolation अपने घर पे and she wrote, "Right now in total self-isolation at my home. I wish I could reply to all you personally. So much to share, but all in good time. I love you all so much." Shenu ended her post by thanking the hospital team who took care of her. P.S. Forever grateful to the medical staff and the corona warriors at the hospital for keeping me safe and taking care of me for a week. Well, believe it or not, it really sounds scary when a person is tested positive for COVID-19 and that too especially जब आप अपने परिवार से दूर हैं, जब आप struggle कर रहे हैं to deliver the best to your audience and your fans. But Shenu ने अपना spirit बहुत ही high रखा और कभी भी अपने फैंस के सामने अपना एक लो फेज आने नहीं दिया। We are very sure that Shenu might have suffered a lot of low phases while she was in the hospital, but the woman very dearly faced all of it and has come out of it with the flying colors and now she's completely safe at home. Well, we can only hope speedy recovery for Shenu Parekh and बहुत जल्द we hope when all of this is sorted, we will get to see Shenu Parekh very soon back on the television screens, acing any character that she takes. You stay tuned to TeleChakkar to know what will unfold next in your favorite celebrities and your favorite shows. All about the Tele world by subscribing to TeleChakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.